Braai chicken is a classic African open fire treat. We've added in baked potatoes and a simple 4-bean salad. Here are just a few tips to make it memorable. First, build yourself a nice big fire and then split it into 3 parts. 1 set of coals for the potatoes, 1 for the chicken pieces, and the rest as a feeder fire for both. The potatoes will take the longest, between 60 and 90 minutes. Simply wash them in water and wrap them individually in kitchen foil. Sean has left them plain, but you can add a little olive oil and salt and pepper at this stage. Place them directly in the coals, remembering to turn them regularly. Meanwhile, for the salad, take 2 cans of 4-bean mix, some finely chopped red and green peppers, a finely chopped onion, a little hot spice of your choice, we had cayenne pepper handy, 3 teaspoons of sugar, some olive oil and a little white wine vinegar. Mix it all together and season with salt and pepper. The longer you leave it, the better it tastes. For the chicken, marinate the pieces for an hour in a mixture of olive oil, chicken braai salt or chicken spice, and a little cayenne pepper. Place the pieces in the braai grid supplied and place over the coals. Braai over a low to moderate heat, turning regularly. Chicken always takes longer because you need to cook right through to the bone. Add or remove coals to regulate the heat, and remember, slowly does it.
When coming to South Africa, cooking outside is what it's all about. You should try as much as possible to enjoy an open fire, outside cooking in the starlight. That's what camping experience is about. You'll find generally most of the meals are prepared by locals outside on a fire just like this. The chicken has been cooking really slowly. The color is even throughout the chicken. There's no real burnt patches. If you look at the coals, they're really low. So we've kept the hot coals on the outside and just cooked the chicken really slowly. To test to see whether the potato is done, you simply put the knife in and pull it out and it should come out very easily.
When your potatoes and chicken are done, you're ready to eat. To avoid burning the grid, remove it after cooking. We suggest adding some local condiments like beetroot, pickled onions and gherkins. And that's it, a chicken braai. Enjoy. Make sure you watch our other useful tips videos to help you get the most from your motorhoming holiday. We'll see you soon.